So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage now. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we wrong. 'Cause nowadays.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to the Wfh Korna, where we're turning the globe into our paycheck playground. If you've been wanting to explore those 5 to 9s but unsure how payments would work, I've got you. Today we're spicing things up as we dive into the Caribbean jackpot. Yes, getting paid internationally. But before we get into it, if you're vibing with us, don't forget to hit that like button. Ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our global money-making adventures. First up, the household name, PayPal. It's like the Swiss Army knife of online payments. The pros, lightning fast transactions and a global reach. But, and there's always a but, the fees can be a bit like that unexpected sneeze. Catches you off guard. Now, let's talk cons. Fees, and did I mention fees? Plus the occasional account freezes that can feel like an unwanted vacation from your own money. Ouch. Next on our financial roller coaster, Payoneer. It's like having a financial superhero in your pocket. The pros, low fees, multiple currency options, and did I mention low fees? and here comes the twist. The customer support can sometimes feel like, have you feeling like you're stuck in whole music purgatory. My mentor introduced me to this a couple of years ago, but let's be fair. Every superhero has a kryptonite, right? Wise, the artist, formerly known as TransferWise. It's like the cool kid on the financial block. Pros, super transparent fees, mid-market exchange rates, and you always know where your money is. Cons, well, it's not exactly the fastest kid in the class when it comes to transfers. But patience is a virtue, my friends. Time is money. But hey, sometimes good things take time. Now to the classic US to US bank wire transfer. It's like the grandfather of online payment. The pros, it gets the job done. And for some, that's all that really matters, right? But, and here's the plot twist. It's not the cheapest option, depending on where you are located. And the speed can be, well, a bit leisurely. When your money is on a scenic route. Local banks in Jamaica like CIBC and Scotia allow you to open US accounts, which is good. However, depending on the type of business you're operating, some US banks will allow you to set up an account from yard, so from Jamaica, while others will require you to be in the country. So my frequent flyers, book a bank appointment on your next vacation and thank me later. So there you have it, my Caribbean comrades. PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, and the good old US to US wire transfers. each with their pros and cons. The key is finding the one that suits your financial adventures best. So drop a comment below on your go-to payment method. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you found this financial roller coaster ride helpful. Until next time, stay financially fabulous. Bye.